Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you into IKEA. We went shopping in IKEA this morning. It's a Saturday, so we went really early in the morning, just when they opened up so that it wouldn't be too crowded. And I think it was really, it was very decent and you could keep your distance. Everyone had masks on anyway, so that made me feel a bit more safe. But we had a really nice shopping trip. We got quite a few things. You're kind of seeing a bit of a sneak peek in the background. But I'm gonna do a haul with everything that I got separately, just because I feel like otherwise this would get way too long. So yeah, that will be up very soon. But if you want to see what's in store at the moment and kind of how we browsed around, then keep on watching. Here we are, we've arrived in IKEA. The first thing that I noticed and really liked in all of their displays are all of the cute baskets with throws in them. I just find them so nice and cozy. I really like this unit as well. I think it looks really lovely, very minimalist, and I really liked the handles on this wardrobe. How cool are these?
Let's see what's there.
It's a panda. That's a really big one. That's a cute coffee table. It's 2 in 1. Oh, what's that? Put some food on the plate instead of fish.
Where's some orange plate?
Another plate?
Look, there's an orange plate. Look, the house.
Yes, a house. I like that place.
Let's go find some more pandas.
Let's go find some more pandas. That's the dream. Now this way, Victor, this way. Oh, look in here. Let's see this kitchen. Oh, that's a pretty cool floor. It's a nice plant. Is it fake? Kind of looks like it is. They've got the pegboards. I really like the fake plants that they have in here as well. I think they have so many cute ones with tiny little pots, or they had really large ones in the plant section. This white throw right here, we have the pink version of this and it's so soft. I really love that. I really like all the armchairs that they have. So many colors, and they also have such cute sleek designs, which I really like. How cute is this rattan chair, this gliding chair, so cute. And I really like these fake plants that were here on the side. They caught my eye. Love a good basket to organize shelves or just to put it on the side for some throws and pillows in. How cute is the backsplash of this kitchen? I really like this type of tile. And here's another use of the pegboard. I think they're so handy. I might get a few to organize my home as well. I also have some of these baskets, the Reset Torp, I think they're called, so handy for organizing.
No?
Victor, what did you pick?
Pick a dinosaur.
You picked a dinosaur.
That's nice.
Oh look, a serving board. It rotates. These placemats are so lovely. I have some very similar ones already. And then I also looked at these tiny little baskets over here that they have. These are actually napkin holders, but I thought that would be quite good for lots of different things to organize, like tiny bits that you have. So many cushions they had in here. I really liked this monochrome one, but they had loads of different colors as well. And we've arrived in a basket heaven. I love all of the baskets that they had in here. I actually measured under the TV unit to see which one would fit, so I picked a few from this section, which I will share in a haul very soon. Again, with these lanterns, so cute. I think they give such a cozy vibe.
And green. So many colors.
So many colors. We're looking for LED lights for behind the TV unit. Aren't we? What have you got here?
It's blue lights.
Blue lights?
Lots of lights.
So they've got a reduced menu. We just sat down at the restaurant. Didn't we? So now we're waiting for Daddy to bring back the food. Didn't we? Are you hungry?
Okay.
Okay. We ordered some fish and chips, didn't we?
Lots of.
It's quite empty at the restaurant. I think it only opens at 11 a.m. But it's really nice.
The ketchup. Okay.
Looks really yummy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!